We get this question all the time. Is it better to make an offer on a property with hard money or cash? And is it the same in the eyes of the seller? We've been doing this for 20 plus years, seeing tens of thousands of transactions. The majority that get the deals put them in as cash, and they allow their hard money lender, like us, Hard Money Mike, to take it from there. We're going to go through today the steps to do that legally, make sure you get the deal you want, and close on time. What is the difference between a cash offer and a hard money offer? Well, one is your money, you're bringing it in, and you have no requirements for the seller. Now you're borrowing money, that's a loan, a hard money loan. Now you bring in a third party, a lender. They're going to have requirements like underwriting, appraisals, credit, all those things. What that happens when you're looking at a contract is it's bringing in complications for the seller and the seller's realtor. If you're going to get a deal on a property, they want the least amount of complications you could give them, and that comes from a cash offer. They're like, okay, we're not going to have to worry about, are they approved for a loan? Will there be an appraisal? Anything that would slow them down. The realtor on the other side thinks the same way because they're like, how am I going to get my commission? Am I going to have or influence the seller to take this offer? They always want cash over any kind of loan, even if it's a hard money loan. So when you put in a contract offer, use the cash because it's influencing your ability to purchase a property at the price you want. This is real estate investing. We want the best price we could get. Best price come from cash offers because cash offers to sellers equals less complications and closing quickly. So how does this work? When you put in an offer, just put it in as a cash offer. That way it'll get accepted for the amount you want. You have to check a box on the contract, and you check that box that says cash, because it's either cash or loan. Anytime you check loan, you're just less likely to get the property. Once it's accepted, hand the contract over to a hard money lender like Hard Money Mike, and we'll take it from there. We will legally reach out to the title company, let them know it has changed from a cash transaction to a hard money loan. We'll let them know, no worries, it's approved, ready to close. What they'll do is let the seller know we have to do an amendment at the closing table. And guess what? When it gets to the closing table, you're done. You're at closing. You're closing the property and the deal at the price you wanted. So cash offers will help you get the property. Hard money will help you fund it. If you're enjoying this video, if it helps you, hit that like button. This is where investing starts, buying properties. And that's why you need to understand the difference between a cash offer and a hard money offer. Make sure when you offer something, you check the cash box. You work with someone like Hard Money Mike to take it from there, legally change it into a loan, and make sure it closes on time. Our goal here is to get you the best deal. So when you're looking at an offer, cash, money out of your pocket, is always king on the offers. Any kind of loan just brings in complications. Now's a great time to invest. So go out, make those cash offers, give us a call, and we'll convert them into a hard money loan.